Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into Royal Match with Facebook. To sign in Royal Match with Facebook, first of all open up the Royal Match game on your device and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner from this home screen. From here, tap on Save Your Progress. Now select Sign in with Facebook. You'll then be taken to the Facebook's login page. Write down your Facebook account's credentials. And now once you do that, Royal Match will request access to your name and profile picture and friend list. Tap on Continue in order to allow access, and then you will be able to connect Royal Match with Facebook. Click on Continue and continue playing the game. That is how easy it is. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.